bedroom apartment on the top floor of this 5-floor building. This one, we've just renovated the kitchen. So you want to take a look at all these great new features in here. This fantastic fridge, freezer, all new appliances and cabinets, a nice granite countertop in here, a really pretty light fixture. So this is a new improvement to this floor here on the top floor of Collegetown Court for number 505. Let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. As you come through the kitchen area, we'll get to this wide open living space. We've got the dining table, we've got the sofa, an easy chair, a coffee table, an end table. This large TV does come with the apartment. We're gonna go take a look at the bedrooms. Let's pass by the bathroom first. So we'll go over here. First we'll stop by the bathroom. So it's a nice large bathroom for 5 people. You've got all the regular stuff like you've seen in our other bathrooms. This apartment also features a small extra closet right here on the left. Good for a little bit of additional storage. All right, let's go through the rooms. First, we've got bedroom number 1. We have 4 bedrooms right in a row along here. They're all facing to the north. They'll all have the same furnishings. We'll come back to number 2. This one is directly across from that bathroom. Again, they're basically the same size. You can set them up a little differently based on where the closet door is. Coming off to the living room, we'll go into bedroom 3. So full-size bed, bookshelf, desk and chair, dresser. We're facing to the north. On the top floor here, we have a nice view over towards campus. Over through the living room, we'll go into room 4. Again, these are nice bright rooms in here. Let's cross through the living room and we'll go into bedroom 5. This is the only one that faces a different direction. This room faces to the east. So this will have brighter morning light. This room here also has the largest closet of the apartment. Take a quick peek in there. So that's a look at Collegetown Court number 505. We're here on the 5th floor of this building located at 208 Dryden Road. We're about 1 block from campus, and this particular apartment does have that renovated kitchen.